Hello, it's Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a couple of videos here to get us up to speed. Last week was not a good week. We're keeping it clean, but it wasn't. Other words could be used, but we're not going to do that here. You can see these drops. Where are we down to? We're down to the 200-day moving average line, just like we were here. Volume picked up on the S&P 500 the last couple of days. It's average daily volume. What's it going to do next? Nobody knows the future. As soon as we start losing that thought process that, oh, I know what's going to happen, things just get easier. They get clearer. It decreases our stress levels, which helps us think clearly. And that's important, just connecting these dots. It's down to the 200-day. It came down to the 200-day here, and it bounced. Will it bounce this time? Let's watch the action and see what happens. Perhaps it will gap down and reverse back up and take out the close, which is also right at the lows of the day, and bounce. We'll have to see. In the meantime, we'll be cautious. Just because the market's open for business doesn't mean we have to do business. So just remember that. It's one day out of the many thousands of our investing careers. Here's the next chart for you. The NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is a little bit below the 50-day, but it's well above the 200-day. I'm going to show you something. This is really important. I'm going to show you this one too. Here's the Dow approaching the 200-day on average daily volume. Here's the S&P 500 at the 200-day. Here's the NASDAQ comp halfway between the 50-day and the 200-day. What does that tell you? Right away, you should come to the realization the NASDAQ is stronger than the S&P 500. What does that mean you should do? Focus where strength is. Where's the strength? In relation to the other two, it's the NASDAQ stocks. Just remember that. Am I saying it's going to continue? No. But at this point in time, the NASDAQ is stronger. It was falling on increasing volume, but it's above the 200-day. We'll watch it and see what happens. Am I going to be the guy that's like, oh, I'm buying here? Let's watch and let the action tell us what to do. Here's SSO. Down to the 200-day on a pickup in volume. Could this gap down and reverse and go back up? Possibly. If so, we'll be ready. This is a bounce spot. The 50-day is normally a bounce spot. The 200-day can be a bounce spot. We'll let it tell us what to do. Here's QLD. Just like the NASDAQ. It's not down to the 200-day. It's strong. Could it fall a bit and reverse? Possibly. We'll watch it and see what happens. I just wanted to share that with you. Just a quick overview, a big picture flyover to help us frame up our thoughts on where the strength is, where the weakness is, where to look, and what to avoid. And I hope that helps you.